Imagine a world where guilt no longer weighs you down, where inner peace isn't just a fleeting feeling, but a constant companion. Get ready to step into that world. We're about to embark on a journey exploring the surprising power of affirmations to heal the wounds of guilt and cultivate lasting inner peace. These carefully crafted affirmations, designed for repetition and reflection, can gently guide your mind towards self-compassion, acceptance, and forgiveness. So take a deep breath, open your heart, and let's begin this transformative exploration together. I am worthy of forgiveness both from others and myself. I release the heavy burden of past mistakes, allowing myself to move forward with grace and ease. I embrace my imperfections, recognizing that they are part of my unique human experience. My past does not define my future. I am creating a new narrative filled with love and light. I choose to focus on the present moment, savoring the beauty and abundance that surrounds me. I am learning and growing from my experiences, evolving into the best version of myself. I am capable of making amends and taking positive action to heal any harm I may have caused. I am open to receiving forgiveness and extending compassion to myself and others. I am cultivating a deep sense of inner peace, even amidst life's challenges. My heart is filled with gratitude for the lessons I have learned and the resilience I have gained. I am deserving of love, joy, and happiness in every aspect of my life. I am committed to practicing self-compassion, treating myself with kindness and understanding. I release any negative self-talk and replace it with affirmations of love and support. I am letting go of any lingering resentment or anger, creating space for healing and peace. I am embracing the power of forgiveness, liberating myself from the chains of the past. I am choosing to live in alignment with my values, creating a life that feels authentic and fulfilling. I am honoring my emotions, allowing myself to feel and process them in a healthy way. I am creating healthy boundaries to protect my energy and well-being. I am prioritizing self-care, nurturing my mind, body, and spirit. I am cultivating a deep connection to my inner wisdom, trusting my intuition to guide me. I am radiating love and positivity, attracting abundance and joy into my life. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn, grow, and evolve. I am releasing any need for external validation, finding peace and contentment within myself. I am worthy of respect, both from others and myself. I am confident in my ability to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. I am creating a peaceful sanctuary within myself, a place of refuge and serenity. I am choosing to focus on the positive aspects of my life, celebrating my accomplishments and blessings. I am deserving of a life filled with love, laughter, and meaningful connections. I am releasing any guilt or shame associated with my past, embracing my wholeness and worthiness. I am cultivating a deep sense of self-love, accepting myself unconditionally. I am open to receiving guidance and support from the universe, trusting in the divine plan. I am radiating inner peace, inspiring those around me to do the same. I am grateful for the opportunity to make a positive impact in the world. I am creating a life that feels aligned with my soul's purpose. I am embracing the present moment, finding joy in the simple pleasures of life. I am letting go of any attachments to outcomes, trusting that everything is unfolding perfectly. I am filled with a deep sense of gratitude for the abundance that surrounds me. I am cultivating a mindset of abundance, believing that there is enough for everyone. I am creating a life that is in harmony with nature and all living beings. I am a beacon of light, radiating love and compassion to all. I am at peace with myself, my past, and my future. I am worthy of all the good that life has to offer. I am capable of incredible things. Every day I am becoming a better version of myself, and I am strong, resilient, and courageous. My mistakes do not define me. They are opportunities for growth. I am worthy of love and belonging. I am surrounded by abundance and blessings. I am grateful for the challenges that have shaped me into who I am today. I am open to receiving all the good the universe has to offer. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I choose to focus on the positive and let go of negativity. I am filled with creative energy and inspiration. My potential is limitless. I am attracting positive experiences and relationships into my life. I am deserving of success and happiness. I am confident in my abilities and talents. I am a magnet for miracles. I am living my life with purpose and passion. I am surrounded by supportive and loving people. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. I am at peace with my past and excited about my future. I am free from limiting beliefs and self-doubt. I am a unique and valuable individual. I am grateful for every breath I take. I am living in alignment with my values and truth. I am creating a life that I love. I am worthy of respect and admiration. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I am a source of light and inspiration to others. I am filled with joy and gratitude. I am constantly learning and growing. I am forgiving of myself and others. I am living in the present moment. I am manifesting my desires with ease and grace. I am a powerful creator of my own reality. I am connected to the divine wisdom within me. I am surrounded by beauty and wonder. I am filled with peace, love, and harmony. I am grateful for all the lessons I have learned. I am living a life of abundance and fulfillment. I acknowledge my past mistakes with compassion, recognizing that they were opportunities for growth and learning. I am actively choosing to release any guilt or shame that no longer serves me, making space for self-love and acceptance. I am embracing the present moment with open arms, appreciating the beauty and abundance that surrounds me. I am cultivating a deep sense of gratitude for all the blessings in my life, big and small. I am forgiving myself for any perceived shortcomings, understanding that I am always doing the best I can. I am releasing any negative energy or emotions that may be hindering my progress, allowing myself to move forward with lightness and ease. I am creating healthy boundaries in my relationships, ensuring that my needs and well-being are respected. I am prioritizing self-care and making time for activities that nourish my mind, body, and soul. I am trusting my intuition and inner wisdom to guide me on my path, knowing that I am always supported. I am attracting positive and uplifting experiences into my life, aligning myself with the frequency of love and abundance. I am worthy of receiving all the good that life has to offer, and I am open to receiving it with gratitude. I am releasing any comparison to others, recognizing that I am on my own unique and beautiful journey. I am celebrating my strengths and accomplishments, acknowledging the progress I have made. I am embracing my vulnerability, allowing myself to be seen and loved for who I truly am. I am creating a life that is filled with meaning and purpose, aligning my actions with my values. I am trusting in the divine timing of the universe, knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly. I am releasing any attachment to outcomes, focusing instead on the joy and fulfillment of the present moment. I am surrounded by a supportive community of like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire me. I am cultivating a deep connection to nature, finding solace and inspiration in its beauty. I am radiating love and compassion to all beings, recognizing our interconnectedness. I am allowing myself to dream big and set audacious goals, knowing that I am capable of achieving them. I am embracing the unknown with courage and curiosity, trusting in the unfolding of my journey. I am honoring my emotions and allowing myself to feel them fully without judgment. I am creating a peaceful and harmonious environment in my home, fostering a sense of tranquility. I am speaking kindly to myself, using words that uplift and empower. I am taking responsibility for my own happiness, recognizing that it is an inside job. And I am letting go of any need to control or micromanage, trusting in the flow of life. I am embracing the power of stillness and meditation, finding clarity and peace within. I am expressing my creativity freely, allowing my unique gifts to shine. I am living a life of authenticity and integrity, honoring my true self. May these affirmations serve as gentle reminders of your inherent worthiness, strength, and capacity for healing. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you are actively choosing to cultivate inner peace and relieve the burdens of guilt. And consistency is key. The more you repeat these affirmations with intention and belief, the deeper their positive impact will be. If you found these affirmations helpful, please consider sharing this with others who may also benefit. Like, subscribe, and let's continue this journey of healing and self-discovery together.